Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th subject environmental studies, looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 7 experiments with water, in the previous video we have seen up to main 5. Today we'll see from main 6. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. On the basis of which qualities are substance classified? Answer is substance is classified into various groups on the basis of qualities like appearance, solidity, dissolving in water means soluble or not, dissolving in water means insoluble. Floating or sink in water and transparency. Now see the question number 2. Even if a person does not know how to swim, he or she does not drown in the Dead Sea. Why? Answer is there is about 300 gram salt in every 1 liter water of the Dead Sea. Since this water is extremely salty, it is heavy. Due to the heaviness of water, even if a person does not know how to swim, he or she does not drown in the Dead Sea but floats on it. Now see the question number 3 on the next page. See the question number 3. Could you see the salt water? Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? Answer is no. One cannot see the salt after it dissolves in water. This is because salt solution is colorless. Since salt is white in color, salt dissolves completely in water and disappears. Salt is soluble in water. It is a solute. Now see the question number 4. State some methods of dissolving sugar quickly in water. Answer is to dissolve the lumps of sugar quickly. Point number 1. Stirring continuously with a spoon after adding the lumps will dissolve them quickly. Point 2. The lumps will dissolve quickly if the water is heated. Point 3. Breaking the lumps into small pieces, then adding them in water and stirring continuously with a spoon will also dissolve them quickly. Now see the question number 5. What difference did you see in the water with a salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? Answer is the salt has completely dissolved in the salt solution, so no salt is seen in the water, whereas the chalk powder does not dissolve, so it settles down at the bottom of the glass, so it can be clearly seen. See the question number 7, main question number 7. Answer as asked. These questions are long, it's a briefly. See the question number 1. You have washed your handkerchief and you want to dry it quickly. What will you do? Answer is I will do the following things. First one, I will squeeze out all the extra water from the handkerchief and leave it to dry in the sun. Point 2. I will switch on the fan and hold the hanky in front of it. Point 3. I will hold the hanky with two of its ends and flap it rapidly as many times as I can. Point 4. I will run a hot iron on the hanky that has dried slightly and try to dry it even faster. See the question number 2. You have been given some lumps of sugar, mystery pieces. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. Answer is to dissolve the lumps of sugar quickly. Point 1. Stirring continuously with a spoon after adding the lumps will dissolve them quickly. Point 2. The lumps will dissolve quickly if the water is heated. Point 3. Breaking the lumps into small pieces, then adding them in water and stirring continuously with a spoon will also dissolve them quickly. Now see the next page. Main 8. Classify as required. Number 1. Classify the following substance into those that dissolve in water and those that do not dissolve in water. First of all, we will see the substance given. Okay. Glass, sugar, oil, wood, rock candy, iron, pin, salt, lemon juice, plastic, then milk. It's a milk and a honey. See the substance that dissolve in water. Now, substance that dissolve in water that means soluble in water. Sugar, rocks, candy, salt, lemon juice, milk and honey. Now, substances that do not dissolve in water that are glass, oil, wood, iron, pin and plastic. Now see the main 2. Classify the following substance into those that float on water and those that sink in water. Sinks means जो डूब जाता है वो. Now see the first of all see the substance. Wood, iron nail, plastic, soap case, stone, sand, indigo powder, kerosene, brick, pencil and needle. Now see the substance that float on water that are wood, plastic, soap case, indigo powder, kerosene and pencil. And substance that sink in a water that are iron nail, stone, sand, brick and needle. Now see the next page. See the HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Question number 1. Which couple of substance is soluble in water? See the option given. Point A. Salt and a chalk. B. Sugar and a salt. C. Sugar and a sand. And D. Sand and a chalk. Answer is option B. Sugar and a salt. Now number 2. Which of the following groups of things float on a water? A. Rubber, wood, sand. B. Wood, rubber, chalk. C. Thermocol, plastic, kerosene. And D. Sugar, stone and ice. That groups are given, in that you have to see that all the given items are a float on a water. So see the option C, thermocol, plastic and kerosene, that all the substance are float on the water. So option C is your right answer. Now see the number 3. Which liquid mixes well with water? Point A. Groundnut oil. B. Petrol. C. Kerosene. And D. Vinegar. From all these 4 options, this vinegar is dissolved in water, mixes well in water. See here, number 4. Of which set of items is a mixture of tea made? See here, items are given. Option A. Milk, sugar, tea. B. Milk, lemon, sugar. C. Sugar, tea, rock candy. And D. Tea, lemon, milk. Here option A. Milk, sugar and tea. That items mixture made a tea. Okay. So here your chapter option A is your answer. Here your chapter is completed. We will see the next chapter in the next video. Keep watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.